Gold and silver retraced towards the next resistance at 33.44 and 38.10. Yes, these levels we have discussed in our Asia and Europe session update few hours back. I have mentioned both are looking forward to a retracement. So are the highs done? Can we look forward to a drop again? Or there is further bullishness here in metals? What to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver 2 updates a day such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now, see, first gold on the hourly charts. See the drop here, then the retracement. Again, the drop and the retracement. Now, this time, see, previously the slope was bit gradual. You can see the highs here and the highs here. The distance was quite less. Now, see, it is trying to reverse right from the 20 and 50 period moving average itself, which is indeed a very good resistance. So now, if you see it is staying below 33, 34 itself, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 33.26, 33.20, and any drop below 33.20 is a clear sign of further bearishness here. Yes, it is increasing the slope, and once it trades below 33.20, we are looking forward to a greater drop all the way towards 33.10, and this time in fact it is going to breach 33.10 as well. But right now, let's see, because see, what I do see is that double bottom here, then the rise retracement, and if it reverses from the current levels and trades above 33.44, 45, you can buy here. Let's see which direction it takes now. If you see the stochastic, this is dropped sharp. The MACD has crossed over here. It is trading in green. It has to continue here for a while on the upside. Right now, it is struggling here. The RSI is comfortably placed. Look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, similar observation here. Drop retracement. And now the slope is getting increased here. There is a possibility that it can keep moving downwards. It can in fact move towards 3300 today. There is a possibility, but let it stay below 3320. Only and only if you see gold trading below 3320, consider that as a bearish move. And then I look forward to 3310, 12, 3300, and then in fact 3280 will be there very, very soon. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD stayed bearish. It has tried to converge but not yet crossed over. The RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour charts, important to note, preceding 2 candle comes with higher highs. Now with higher highs, we have seen a pullback here in the last candle. Now the current candle is going to be important. If it stays now below 33.30, you can expect 33.26, 33.20, and if it stays below 33.20, we are looking forward to a greater down move all the way towards 33.10, 12, or in fact 3300. The stochastic though is rising here. The MACD right now is bearish. The RSI is staying flat. On the 4-hour charts, when you see now on the 4-hour charts, the current candle is going to be pretty important, because see, diminishing bearishness, after diminishing bearishness, it has shown a reversal. We have seen a pullback here. Now after the pullback, 20 period offered it a good resistance. It has shown again a drop from the same levels. Now it is trying to bounce back. Now if it crosses beyond 36, 33.44, expect it to land at 33.50, the critical number here on the upside. And once it trades beyond 33.50, that is the point of time you can confirm. Now it is trying to rise more. We can expect it to move towards 33.60 as well. Let's see, because see, one rise, then a pullback. So the current candle, if it breaches out on the upside, we can expect a good rise all the way towards 33.50. In fact, 33.60 cannot be denied. The stochastic is showing a rise. The MACD right now is bearish. The RSI is flat here. Coming to daily. Now on the daily charts, I have mentioned in my previous updates, see, look at the formation here. First the drop here, then 3400 has become a greater resistance for the prices to break. Since then, what has happened? A retracement, then the drop, then the retracement. Higher highs here, higher lows. So even if it doesn't, if it fails to form a double bottom, which ideally it should, means it should ideally move towards 3250. But right now what's happening? It is delivering slightly higher highs and higher lows. Now today it is pretty important for gold to trade below 3320, which will take it towards 3310 and 3300 levels. And if it stays below 3300, stay short for 3280, 3260 levels very, very soon. Right now it is trying to bounce back, but also notice it can retrace towards where? Lower highs means till 3360. I will not treat this as reversal. Very clear. Till 3360, 3366 is not taken, I will not consider that as reversal. And most importantly, it has to break 3375. zone in order to confirm a breakout on the upside. Then what will happen? It should be treated for a reversal. We can expect it to move towards 3400, though I'm not in favor of this. Why? See, if you look at the move here, what we are looking at, divide this into two. What has happened? This move is done. What preceded this? Three bearish candles, two are done. The third one has to be sharply bearish, and hence the current one is going to be pretty important. Thus, you have to watch out. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD almost flat here, not yet crossing over for sell. And this is a slight worry point, and the RSI is flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I give you the levels, the next mentorship batch is announced. It is starting 21st of July, coming Monday. Do join it today. Only limited seats are available. The details are mentioned in the communities tab here as post as well, and on my Telegram and email IDs as well. You can write an email or ping me or Telegram for further queries. The details, the contact IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, reach out to me for details. Those looking forward to trade as per the signals, yes, should reach out. And yes, if you're looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you safe free account and lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Join it today and enjoy your trading journey. Now, very simple here. Yes, if you see now gold trading beyond 33.42, you can buy here. Expect 33.46 and then 33.50.52. If it trades beyond 33.50.52, stay bullish for 33.60, 33.66. Once it trades beyond 33.64.66, stay bullish for 33.74.75. And if that is taken, then 33.84.85, 3400 has to be there. Though I am not in favor of such a stronger rise. Be mindful of this. It can still drop, it can still correct sharp. And hence, now if you see gold trading below 33, 34, 32 zone, you can take a sell. When you see the higher price below 33, 34, 32 zone, stay with the sells. Expect 33, 26, 25, 33, 18, 20, 33, 10, and then 3300. Below 3300, we are looking forward to a greater down move, which is going to take it towards 3280, 3260 levels very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to silver. See, silver on the early charts very beautifully drop retracement, drop retracement. This is how it is done, and it is a classical move here. Now if you see it is staying below 3760, you can just stay with the sells here. Expect 3740, and below 3740, 3730, the next targets is going to be directly towards $37 levels. The crossover in the moving averages is certainly a bearish sign. Also notice after the retracement, now it is looking downwards. It might land at 3780, 3760 zone, and breaking 3760, definitely greater bearishness to follow. The stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has retraced a bit. Wait for a crossover here. This will confirm further downside. The RSI has dropped as well, which is again a bearish sign. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, drop retracement, and now after a megaphone pattern, it is looking downwards. Possibly this might land first at 3780, which is indeed an achievable level here. Very easy for silver to do so. And below that 3760. Once it trades below 3760, we are looking forward to a greater down move, taking it till towards 3730, 3740 and $37 levels. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has retraced sharp. It has not yet crossed over. There could be further bottoming here. See, a sharp drop does not mean that it cannot continue further. It can continue further. The RSI is placed comfortably. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, similar formation here. Just let it stay below 3780, 3760. And then once it trades below 3760, more bearishness to follow. Yes, we can expect 3740, 3730 and then 37. At the same time, now see, earlier in the day I have mentioned you can buy here at 3780 levels. Expect 38, 3810, and then in fact till 3840 you can trail with a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Hitting 3810 itself, it is reversing. This is the beauty here. The stochastic rising, the MACD is still bearish, the RSI is dropping here, looking downwards. On the 4 hour charts, when you see similar observation, one thing you must note on the 4 hour chart, see, it has shown a reversal, it has seen the rise. It is very important for now for silver to trade below 3760. That is the only level below which you can say now this is going to drop further, and then we can look forward to a greater down move here. The stochastic is rising though, but the MACD, if you look at it, is looking downwards, staying bearish. The RSI is also staying bearish here. Coming to the daily chart. Now see, when you look at the daily charts, ideally whenever prices diverge from 20 period, it converges. See this, and this is the third time it is started to diverge again. Now there is a possibility that it can land at the 20 period moving average. The 20 period moving average sitting close to $37 levels. And that is why I say once it trades now below 37.60, then 37.40, 37.30, you can expect more bearishness to follow here. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD is in green trying to convert, the RSI has dropped. So looking at this, it is very simple. You can sell here at 37.80 levels. When you see the higher prices below 37.80, take a sell, expect it to move towards 37.70, 37.60 as the first target zone, then 37.40, 37.30 as the next. Once it trades below 37.40, 37.30, stay short for 37. And once it trades below 37, this time it is going to deliver a massive correction where we can see 36.40, 36 as the next targets. Appears difficult today, but yes, not impossible. On the upside now, where you should buy, I will recommend you to now wait for 38.10 levels to be taken. Once it trades beyond 38.10, stay bullish for 38.25, 30 as the first, 38.50 as the second. Once it trades beyond 38.50, 38.60, stay bullish. This time again we are heading towards 39. Chances are less, but yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Thank you.